Welcome back guys. In this video I am going to show you real file manipulation, how you can copy files or folders from one to other. So as we are going to do some real file manipulation, let's build a safe place to play with our file manipulation commands. First we need a directory to work in. We will create in our home directory and call it a playground. So to create a directory, we are going to use mkdir command. But let's first make sure that we are in our home directory. And yes, we are in our home directory. If you can see here, tilde. The other way you can check, simply type pwd and you can check you are in the home directory. Now let's make a directory mkdir and give it the name playground. And then let's move to playground. Right now we are in our playground directory. So let's make one or two or three directories where we are going to move our file and folders. mkdir, let's say folder 1 and folder 2, and check with ls. So we have over 2 folders in it. Next, let's get some data into our playground. We will do this by copying a file using the cp command. We will copy the password file from /etc directory to the current working directory. Let me show you how you can do that. Type cp and then /etc/ and hit enter. Okay, as I have missed the destination directory where exactly I want to copy it. So if I put a dot here, it means I am copying the /etc/password to my current working directory, right? You can see here that CP is missing the destination file operand after etc and password. So you can check here something is missing. So let's hit enter, and now we should have password file in our current working directory. And yes, we do have a password file. Now just for the fun, let's repeat the copy using the -v option. V is for verbose to check what exactly it does. So we're gonna get the previous command and we gonna type space and /v and hit enter. You see that the cp command performed the copy again, but this time it displayed a concise message indicating what operation it was performing. Notice that the CP overwrote the first copy without any warning. Again, this is a case of CP assuming that you know what you are doing. To get a warning, we will include -i. -i is for interactive option. So let's use it. Delete and press I. So now we are using interactive option. You will see what happens. You see, now it gave us a message that you really want to overwrite the password file which is already existing in that directory. Responding to the prompt by entering a Y will cause the file to be overwritten. Any other character, for example N, will cause CP to leave the file alone. So I'm going to type yes. And if type yes, then the password file will be overwritten. And if I type N or any other character, nothing will happen. no copy pasting will work here. So I'm going to just type yes. And it exactly copied the file with interactive option. You can check actually CP man and CP. And here you will see a lot of options what exactly you can use with copying files, right? Any options such as right now we have used interactive, right? And also there will be verbose in this option as well. So you can check all of them and you can use any of the option which is actually useful for you. To quit the main page, you just have to press Q. So let's clear the screen and get back to moving and renaming files. Now, the same password doesn't seem very helpful. And this is a playground, right? What we have just created. So let's change it to something else. I will put MV password, right? And then I can give it a name, whatever I want. Let's give it a name fun, right? And now if I press ls, you see the password file has been changed to fun here. Now let's move fun file to DIO folder 1, right? Hit enter and press ls. You see now the fun file has been moved to folder 1. If we press ls and folder 1 and hit enter, cannot access folder. No, okay, I think I gave the correct name folder. Okay, now you can see the ls folder 1 showed that the fun file is already moved in this directory. We can also move the file which we have in folder 1 in the name of fun. We can move it to folder 2 by doing that. So this is the move command, and what it is doing, it is taking this fun file folder 1, right, and it is moving it to folder 2. If I hit enter and if I press now, let's first check folder 1, and you will see this directory is completely empty. Now let's check folder 2. As you can see, now we have moved the file from folder 1 to folder 2 by using this command. So you can move files from one directory to other using MV. As our current working directory is playground, now let me show you how we can move the file from folder 2 to our current working directory. So you have to type MV folder 2 and the file name, and then you need to put the dot. Dot represents the current working directory. So if I hit enter, the folder 2 file has been now moved to our current working directory. Let's first check folder 2. If I hit enter, the folder 2 is empty. But if I press ls, I can see the file which actually was in folder 2 has now been moved to our current working directory. So this is a very good trick that if you want to move any file from any folder to your current working directory, you can just place a dot and you can copy or move files from anywhere to your current working directory. Now let's clear the screen Okay, now let's see the effect of mv command on directories. First, we will move our data file into our folder 1 again. So let's check move over fun file to dir or folder 1, and we have done that. Now we will move our folder 1 into folder 2, right? So how we can do that? We will type mv folder 1 and folder 2. So this is our moving folder and this is our destination folder. So this folder is going to be copied to folder 2, right? And enter. So now we have moved folder 1 into folder 2. We can check that doing ls l and folder 2. So now we should have folder 1 into our folder 2. As you can see that we have folder 1 moved into folder. Note that as our folder 2 already exists, so move command moved folder 1 into folder 2. If the folder 2 did not exist, then the move command, mv command, would have renamed folder 1 to folder 2. Now let's put everything back as it was before. mv folder 2 folder 1 dot. So we have moved folder 1 from folder 2 into our current working directory. Right now we have folder 1 and folder 2. Now let's move our fun file back to our current working directory. mv folder 1 fun to our current working directory and type ls. And now we have folders and files back. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. In the next videos, I will be showing you about how you can create soft links and hard links and why soft links and hard links are important. Thank you and have a great day.